We are back for another video to get rid of this old, beat up, a little bit chewed up cap and make it maybe a little more sporty, or however you want to call it. It's a 1500 cap, so this is a 2500 3500 cap, just smooth, there's nothing to it, and they call it the whale tail. And it's funny because in my old video a long time ago, I actually got rid of my stock one on my gold gray 1500, and that's what they call as a whale tail. And I actually went and bought one of these, and because the only reason I got it was because my tunnel cover that went over this wouldn't go over it because it had those humps, which now my undercover flex, I don't need to worry about that. So, and I will show you, but underneath these, all the Chevy tailgate cap or tailgates, there's holes for each one for the rivets for the whale tail spoiler cap, you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. So that'll be nice. And I might have to go get a tool because they say it's a riv nut tool, but let's rip this off and see what to do. I got a eraser wheel, so there's gonna be some double-sided sticky tape on this side or the inside of it, so let's heat her up and get her off. And she might be ugly for a day or two because I might need to go grab those nuts. Here's the tape, and I found the holes. I'm just using a heat gun to kind of heat it up, the tape, and let's put that in there a second. But yeah, you can see already there's a hole right there. Kind of hard to focus. Yeah, right there. So slowly getting it up, and then we'll erase or wheel the tape off. So she's off. This side's tough. There's some pretty good industrial tape or something right there. Kind of sucks. And I was pulling so hard and it ripped, or just cut. Yeah, but that's it. So that in there. That's what it looks like. Here's the holes right there. It's a little bare without it. We'll put the other one on. I'll show it to you now. Here's the new one. Kind of a lot cooler than just the slim cap, whatever you want to call it. But let me grab the tail. So obviously it's going to go down more, but you kind of get the idea. Just gotta clean off the other excess, but it's kind of what it'll look like. Be kind of cool. So let's get the eraser wheel and get all this old gunk off. Back piece is a pain in the butt. Like, it literally is taking forever. The front went pretty good. I got most of it off there because there wasn't that much stuff on it. But the back, it's taking me forever just to get it clean. But it has to be clean because that's like the most important part, because it's things sliding in and out and stuff. Yeah, it's gonna rip off here, and it's got to be good adhesion to a clean, good surface. Clean everything afterwards, but I'm kind of jumping the gun right now and trying to see on what I need to do. So here's the tool, or the the installation kit here. It's just a little Allen wrench, bolt, and then you got your riv nut thing that I'm guessing, and I try and put it in there. You got that, and then you got also, where's it at? Like a washer. It's on that one. So it goes in there. But I'm thinking I'm gonna need a riv nut tool, or the thing I saw on YouTube, to kind of compress it, because that's what happens. It compresses, but it compresses so it gets fat, so it gets in there and sits in there. So I might have to do that. I'm gonna try putting it on and seeing what happens, and seeing what I need to do for it. So wish me luck. So what we're gonna do is put this on. We got the rivets in. It's kind of sucked. I had to go to Ace Hardware real quick. So we're gonna put it on, but I'm gonna leave a little bit off. So when I put it on, I can just pull it and push while I go down, and then we'll put the rivets in. Okay, so we got her on. I'm just kind of heating the thing up so that the 3M adhesive will stick even better. It's always better to have a little warm so then you can press down on it. But I'll show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, a lot better. It looks way better. Get some light. But yeah, it looks a ton better. I'll show you during the day, but you know, just kind of make sure you measure up with your fingers on each side and you'll be golden. Way better. Way better. It looks a lot cleaner. This is it. Looks awesome. I just gotta get some better hardware, and looks just like stock would. No complaints at all. It's on there really good. So just have to clean up the tailgate a little bit, just get some little marks off right there and stuff. But other than that, it looks awesome.